Hello everyone. Welcome to day 3 of our 30-day Teamcenter Interview Preparation series. In day 2, we understood the Teamcenter data model, how items, item revisions, data sets and bombs are connected, how check-in and check-out work. Today we will focus on how changes are managed and controlled in Teamcenter. We will cover revise versus save as, release status, ownership, and access control list, also called as ACLs. Let's begin. First, let's talk about revise. Revise is used when an existing released revision needs to be modified. In Teamcenter, released data should never be edited directly. So, instead of changing a released revision, we create a new revision. For example, if revision A is released and a change is required, Teamcenter creates revision B. Revision A remains unchanged and revision B becomes the working revision. This ensures traceability, audit history, and proper change management. Now, let's talk about save as. Save as is used when we want to create a new item based on existing one. Here, the identity itself changes. For example, when a part is used for another project, save as creates a new item ID with its own life cycle. So, remember this clearly. Revise creates a new revision, save as creates a new item. Let's understand release status. Release status represents the maturity level of an object. It defines whether data is in work, under review, or officially released. Common release statuses include in work, released, and absolute. Once an object is released, it becomes read only for most users. This prevents unauthorized changes to approved data. Let's move to ownership. Every object in Teamcenter has an owner. Ownership is defined using user, group, and role. The owner determines who can modify the object and who can participate in workflows. Ownership also plays a key role in access control and responsibility assignment. Next is access control list, commonly called ACL. ACL controls what actions a user can perform on an object. These actions include read, write, delete, and promote. ACL works together with ownership, release status, and user roles to enforce security. In simple terms, ACL defines who can do what in Teamcenter. Now, let's connect everything. When an object is in work, the owner can modify it. Once it is released, editing is restricted by release status and ACL. If a change is needed, the object is revised and a new working revision is created. This is how Teamcenter ensures controlled changes and data security. Let's look at this from a real project perspective. In real projects, revise is used for engineering changes, save as is used for reuse, release status controls data maturity, ownership defines responsibility, and ACL ensures secure access. Together, these concepts form the backbone of Team Center governance. That completes day 3 of our Team Center interview preparation series. In day 4, we will cover workflows, task type, and approval flows in Team Center. Thanks for watching.